Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make this foaming sugar scrub that lathers and foams so immaculately. This product has been trending and super hot lately. Also, the recipe is included. It's linked down in the description. So, no more talking. If you want to see how I got this, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Give this video a thumb up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. So these are all the ingredients that you're gonna need. We have the whipped soap, which I get from Nature's Garden. I have some shea butter. I have some shea butter here that's melted down. You want to go ahead and melt down your shea butter. Sugar, of course, any type of sugar. Apricot oil and coconut oil, and also you can substitute this oil for any other oil. You can substitute either oils for the oils that you would like to use. I have my mica pigments, my preservative, which I use Optifin. I have my fragrance. I have my piping bag with the tip, and then I have a spatula, and then over there I have my hand mixer. Now what we're going to do is combine our ingredients. So first I'm just gonna kind of mash up the whipped soap just a little bit.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
my piping bag inside of a cup just so that way it's easier to fill. I have my jar that we're going to use to pipe our sugar scrub in. So now I'm just going to take the pink and put it on one side. Then we're going to take the yellow and put it on the other side. Then we're going to take some more pink. And I just put mine on opposite sides so that way, I don't know, I just like to do it that way. It gives it a more easier twirl if you're not good with twirling it yourself. And we're just gonna squeeze everything to the bottom, which is there. Now we're just gonna take our jar, and then we're just gonna pipe. And that is the finished product. Look how good that looks. So pretty. Your customers are gonna love the way this looks. The way it looks on their counter. It just gives a smooth, nice finish. It got a little bit of a weight to it, but it looks so great.